In this video, I will show you how you can scan your computer. Okay, so the Windows 10 computer or any operating system, Microsoft, comes in with Windows Defender that helps secure your computer from any kind of virus. So to scan your system, you go to the search and type in virus. So once you type in um, virus, you will see that pop up, which is virus and threat protection. Click on that. Good. It brings you straight to this point where you can run a quick scan. All right. So if you don't want to run a quick scan, you can go for scan option. Okay. Click on the scan options. So here you have different options that you might want to go for. So if you want to run a full scan, you click on that. Okay, now when you click on select that, you click the backward arrow, and then click on the scan. So just take notes that the full scan can take several hours, okay, because it has to scan the entire computer, which is your hard disk. Now the custom scan allows you to choose files or locations that you may want to scan. Now, this other one is a Microsoft Defender offline scan. So if you're not always connected to the internet, you may want to go with that option. So if you go with the full option, all right, backward arrow, and then you click on the scan. So as you can see right here, my computer, no zero threat found, but I'll just click on this. So it would take several hours to run the scan. So take note, this is how you can protect your computer. Not most people are aware that the Microsoft Windows do come with virus protection. So you may not need, or you do not need to buy this other antivirus softwares like the Norton, McAfee, and all of that. So with this particular one, default virus and threat protection that comes with your Microsoft operating system, you can run scan and protect your computer from any kind of virus. Okay, so I hope this helped you, and please click the like button, support the channel. The more you like the video, the more it gets to people who would find this interesting. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.